Nutrients helps our body in many ways. But some of the nutrients works like magic when it comes to boosting our immune system. With the power of these magic nutrients, a person with weak immunity can turn into a strong person with strong immune system. Hello guys, this is Parvez Ahmed Shaun, and in this video we are going to talk about one of the magic nutrients that will help us boosting our immune system. But before that, please subscribe our channel Kaizen and push the bell icon so that you will be updated with all the latest information of this channel. So let's go into the video. Magic nutrients will help us boosting our immunity, and in this video we are going to talk about the magic nutrients, which is vitamin C. Vitamin C. It is one of the most renowned vitamin that we regularly use or intake, and around 100 mg of vitamin C is needed for all group of people. Although pregnant people and aged people needs more of vitamin C, but don't get overdosed on vitamin C because it is water soluble and does not get stored, and it will result in diarrhea if you take excess amount of it. It also reduces the risk of common cold and its duration. That's why when you catch cold, you take orange or pomegranate so that the level of vitamin C increases and the common cold decreases. Then again, it works as an antioxidant. Antioxidant works by reducing free radicals and ultimately leads to younger skin or fresh skin. People with aged people have high level of oxidative stress in their body system and results in wrinkling of face and other skin conditions. It also reduces inflammation, and whenever a person has a severe pneumonia or is in ICU, they are given vitamin C in IV route, and it helps in their condition. So vitamin C is pretty needed on a daily basis, but around 7.1% to 73.9% of people are vitamin C deficient. Although in the Western world, like in USA, the deficiency is around 7.1%, and in poorer regions like North India, it is estimated that 73.9% of people are vitamin C deficient. So vitamin C deficiency is a major concern, and it results or the symptoms that will be having with vitamin C deficiency are rough and bumpy skin. Whenever you push your hands on your skin, you will see some bumpy areas or rough areas. Then again, there will be an easy bruising of your skin. You will get easy cuts whenever you touch something, or in a rush things touches your skin, there will be easy bruising. And also there will be poor immunity. You will catch cold easily with times, and another thing is decreased wound healing. It will take forever to heal a simple wound that might be easily healed by a strong immune person. So vitamin C is highly needed. But what are the fruits, or from where you will get this vitamin C? The first thing that has come into your mind is orange. Yes, orange is filled with vitamin C, but it is not the fruit that is high in vitamin C. The most level of vitamin C is present in guava. In 100 gram of guava can provide more than 200% of daily need of vitamin C. So if you have a guava of 100 gram, you will have more than the twice daily need of vitamin C. Then again, lychee, it also has vitamin C, and of course orange, which is in third position when it comes to the amount of vitamin C in 100 gram. So these are the things. If you take in adequate amount, you will have sufficient level of vitamin C, and your immune system will be boosted. So we'll end this video with a quote from Robert Ulrich, which is a healthy outside starts from the inside. So take adequate amount of nutrients which are essential. And in the next video, we're going to talk about the third magic nutrients which will help. Thank you and stay safe.